Okay, so I've rendered out the file and the Playblast, and it all looks fine. So that's all good. So give it a good watch through, make sure that it's all okay. And then the only issue with it is it's a huge file. So if I click on it here, you can see that it's 2.7 gigs, which is huge. So it's going to take up a huge amount of space on your hard drive. If you were to submit this, it would take a long time to download. So we want to reduce the file size, basically. So the way we can do that is there's a open source app, so it's free, and it's called Handbrake, and it works very effectively, basically. So if I type in Handbrake video converter to Google, then you should find this one comes up. So it's actually handbrake.fr. I presume it's a French app. And if you go to the downloads, there's actually a version that you don't need to install. You can run it, but it doesn't need installation, which means that you can run it on a computer which you don't have admin rights, for example, the uni computers. So if I click on that, download the zip package, and we open this up. Here we go. So let's just press F5 to make sure it's done it. So at the moment it is zipped up. So what I'm going to do is right click on that and go extract all, and then extract this, and then click in here and in here, and here we go. There's the app that we can open. So let's double click on this. And this is coming up with a message. Let's say because I've used it previously. Let's click on this, and this is the interface you'll get when you first open it up. So let's just clear my other windows out. All I need to do basically is drop the video file over here, and it'll load it up. Now there's a few settings here that you may want to change, or you should change. So in terms of filters, we'll turn both of these off. What that's looking for is interlaced video, which is a kind of old video format, but we don't need that on. So I'll turn that off. And also video, because we are dealing with animation here, I want us to be able to see every single frame. So rather than a peak frame rate, I'm going to set this to constant frame rate, just so that we make sure that it stays at 30 frames per second throughout the whole video. So after that, you can see here where it's going to output to. You can change that if you want, and you can also change the name. So I tend to put HB after it, just so that it's I know that it's been handbraked. So let's. I think we're all ready now. So once you're ready, you just click on Start Encode, basically. So we click on this, and it shouldn't take too long to do. Okay, so that's completed, and let's just drag this over. It's on my other monitor, but let's just drag this file over. So here are the two videos. This is the original one, which is 2.69 gig. This is the Handbrake one, which is 13 megabytes, so hugely smaller. If I click on it, you shouldn't be able to see the difference in quality, I don't think. It will reduce the quality a tiny bit, potentially, but it's really imperceptible. So I mean, to me this looks basically the same as the original video. So yeah, before you do anything with any videos, please just run them through Handbrake once you've rendered them, and after that I'd strongly recommend that you just delete the original file from your computer, because like I say, it's massive, so it's taking up way too much space there.